In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Airtable Workspace ID. This ID is really useful if you're connecting Airtable to other tools, using automations, or working with the Airtable API. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make step by step so you can quickly grab the right ID from your own account. First, open your browser and go to the Airtable website. If you're not already signed in, log into your account with your usual credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the Airtable home screen, where you can see your workspaces listed on the left-hand side or across the main area. Now, locate the workspace you want the ID for. In this example, you might see something like My First Workspace or a custom name you've created. Click on that workspace name. This will open the workspace view, where you can see all the bases inside that workspace. At the top or near the workspace name, look for an area or icon that opens additional options or a drop-down for the workspace. Go ahead and click that highlighted area to reveal more controls related to the workspace itself. From the menu that appears, choose Workspace Settings. This will open a dedicated settings page just for this workspace. Here, you'll see several tabs or sections that let you configure different aspects of your workspace. Once the settings page is open, click on the tab labeled Settings. This is usually where general information and configuration options for the workspace are found. After that, move through the adjacent tabs. Click on Collaborators, then Usage, and then Billing. These tabs give you insight into who has access, how much of your plan you're using, and your subscription details. While these sections don't directly show the workspace ID, navigating here ensures you're in the correct workspace context, which matters for the link you're about to copy. Next, look for the Share button associated with the workspace. Click on Share. A sharing panel or pop-up will appear. If you see an option or icon near the top of this panel, such as an initial or avatar, click that, and then click on the highlighted option inside the sharing window to focus on workspace-level sharing. Click Share again if needed to make sure you're viewing the workspace invite options. If the panel says No Invite Links, that just means you haven't created one yet. Click on No Invite Links, then select Create Invite Link. Airtable will generate a unique invite link for this workspace. Finally, click on Copy Link. The link that gets copied to your clipboard contains your Airtable Workspace ID within its URL. You can now paste that link into a document or text editor and extract the Workspace ID portion for use in your integrations or scripts.